You thought this was my real voice? Surprise, I'm actually not a guy. This is all AI. Yup, a fully realistic male voice, controlled by me. I'm Jana Francis, and in this video, I'll show you how I switched voices using powerful AI tools so real, it'll blow your mind.
Cool, right? That voice you just heard wasn't some random guy. It was me, using AI. And this the voice you're hearing now? Also AI. A female voice, but not mine. See, in today's content world, sounding real emotionally real matters more than ever. That's why using high-quality, human-like AI voices can totally transform your videos. From YouTube intros, explainer content, to even TikTok narration, these voices grab attention, build trust, and keep your viewers hooked. And while ElevenLabs is popular, what I'm using today is even better, more expressive. Now let's switch to my original voice.
Alright, so back to my normal voice. Those voices you just heard now are all generated using AI. And I know you might think, oh, this is ElevenLabs. No, it's not generated with ElevenLabs. I'm going to be showing you how to generate super realistic human voice using AI. We all know that ElevenLabs is quite good. They have quality voice for content creation, but the free plan, the free version of ElevenLabs, let's be honest, it really sucks. It doesn't give you access to all the quality human voice. But in today's video, the AI I'm going to be showing you is going to give you access to quality human voices. By the way, my name is Jen Francis. If this is the first time I've come across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. And yes, quick one. Questions I get often. Jay, are you a video editor? Yes, I'm a video editor. Jay, can you teach me how to edit videos like a pro? Yes, I can teach you how to edit videos like a pro. So if you want Jay to handle your videos, a DM will solve that. If you want Jay to teach you how to edit videos like a pro, a simple DM will also solve that. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so now on this website, you can generate super realistic AI voice. Super realistic AI voice that sounds like a human being. You can use it for your videos and a lot more. So now you can also clone your voice, but that will be later in another video. So if you want me to make a video of how to clone your voice for free, then drop it in the comment section and I will gladly make a video about that. So now let me show you a variety of voices that they have on this website. Alright, so now my phone is on the desktop view. It's not that the site doesn't work on mobile. The site also works on mobile, but why I put my phone on the desktop view is just to have a better user experience and also to have access to all the features like increasing the speed of the voice, the pitch, and everything, to have full control of everything. That's why I put my phone on desktop view. You can also use your normal mobile interface to access this particular platform. Now, here are a variety of voices they have. You can see Trustworthy Man. Let's play it and see.
Remember, life will test you, but it will never break you if you hold on to what you know to be true.
Now, let's check this one. Captivating Storyteller.
Picture this: moonlight, ancient castle, and a mystery waiting to be solved. Let me tell you what happened next.
Alright, so this type of voice is good for storytelling. Now, let's check the next voice. You can see Man with Deep Voice. Let's check it
Let
out.
me share with you what I've learned over the years. My experience has taught me that patience is truly a virtue.
There's something lovely in the quiet bits. The soft breeze dancing through leaves, the delicate tinkle of Chinese tea is served.
What's more thought-provoking is that Universe 25 experiment exposes the hollowness of modernity's promises. We were promised that technological progress would bring better lives.
Like, are you seeing how super realistic this AI voice sound? Now let's check this one. Whispering Girl. Let's check.
Today, let's relax and heal together, bringing peace to your mind and body.
Now they have a lot of voices here. There's another one I want to check. persuasive man. Let's see.
What if I told you the best performing marketing strategies right now are the exact ones most experts would warn you to not even try?
Now, these type of voices are good for advertisements. You get, you are trying to persuade somebody, so this type of voices is good for advertisement. Just come to this website and check it out. Like, they have a lot of premium voices for free. Check it out. Check it out. So it depends on the kind of video you are creating. If you are going into storytelling, then I advise you to use the storyteller. There is a voice here. Use that one. If you are going for motivational videos, there is a voice for it. If you are going for energetic, there is a voice for it. Like, just come here and explore. Now, I'm going to paste a script. I'll paste a script, and we are going to generate a voiceover. I'll paste the script. Let me choose the voice I want to use for this. Let me choose a voice. Let's check.
What's more thought-provoking is that Universe 25 experiment exposes the hollowness of modernity's promises. We were promised that technological progress would bring better lives.
Which one do I use now? Let's use captivating storyteller.
Picture this: moonlight, ancient castle, and a mystery waiting to be solved. Let me tell you what happened next.
Now I've selected it and I'm going to use it to generate. If you want to generate, just click here to generate. Then here is where you're going to paste your script. So I'll click here to generate now. So you can see this is why I love the desktop version. You see, you can also have full control and access of the setting. Here you can increase the speed of the voiceover. Maybe you want it to be a little faster. Here you can increase the pitch. Here you can increase the volume. You get, and you can generate up to 5,000 characters. Now, this website is not completely free. I want to mention this. This website is not completely free. This website, it has a free version, but the free version is way better than ElevenLabs free version. You get access to premium voices. Every day that you log in, you get 4,000 credits. Per sign up, you get 10,000 credits. You can use it to generate different voiceover, and also on this free plan you can also clone your voice. So if you want me to make a video of how to clone your voice, drop it in the comment section. I will gladly make a video about that. But on ElevenLabs, you need a subscription to clone your voice, and ElevenLabs will not give you access to all the premium voices on the free plan. So that's why I like this particular website. Now, in my next video, I'm going to be making a video of a website that is completely free. When I say completely free, I mean completely free. No credit card, no free plan, no upgrade, just a free, complete AI tool that will help you to generate super realistic AI voices. So I know you don't want to miss that, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, because in the next video I'm going to be dropping that, so you don't miss out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. All right, now, so I'm going to hit on generate now. To generate, I'll click here to generate the voiceover. Let's see what we have. So now it's generating our voiceover. Let's wait.
Hi, I'm Jane Francis, and one 8-year-old girl from Nigeria with a deep passion for tech, finance, and personal growth. I'm on a journey of discovery, learning, and building something meaningful from scratch. Every step I take is driven by curiosity, ambition, and the dream of turning my passion into impact. If you're chasing growth too, then you're in the right place.
All right, did you see how super realistic this AI voice sounded? Remember, the AI voice we use there is captivating storyteller. Now, if you want to download the voiceover, just click here to download the voiceover. Click here. Remember, we are on the desktop version. Why I chose this desktop version is for a friendly user interface. and also to have access to all these features here, like the speed, the pitch, the volume. So if I want this voiceover to be a little faster, like a little faster from then, I will increase the speed. Let me show you guys now. Let me increase the speed. You see that it's going to be super fast. Now let's regenerate again.
Hi, I'm Jana Francis, and one 8-year-old girl from Nigeria with a deep passion for tech, finance, and personal growth. I'm on a journey of discovery, learning, and building something meaningful from scratch. Every step I take is driven by curiosity, ambition, and the dream of turning my passion into impact. If you're chasing growth too, then you're in the right place.
You can see that the speed is now faster, like the voiceover is now faster. So that's why I like this platform as well. You have full control of the AI voice. You can also change the pitch of the voice, the speed, the volume. So it all depends on your specific need, the type of content you are creating. All right, now let's check out by the way, let me reduce this. Let's check out another AI voice. Let me change this to, maybe let's try a graceful lady.
There's something lovely in the quiet bits. The soft breeze dancing through leaves,
Now let's use this particular voice. Let's see how it sounds. Click on generate.
Hi, I'm Jane Francis, and one 8-year-old girl from Nigeria with a deep passion for tech, finance, and personal growth. I'm on a journey of discovery, learning, and building something meaningful from scratch. Every step I take is driven by curiosity, ambition, and the dream of turning my passion into impact. If you're chasing growth too, then you're in the right place.
Did you see how super realistic this AI voice is? Like, this platform is wow. Alright, so the name of this platform, I believe you must have figured out yourself. The name of this platform is Minimax Audio. Minimax Audio. So on this platform, you can clone your voice, you can generate voiceovers, a lot of features. And by the way, please, this video is not a promotional video. This is something I've tried out and I love the AI voices here. Now, on my next video, I'll be dropping an AI tool that is completely free. It's super realistic and is completely free. When I say it's completely free, I mean it is completely free. So subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I drop the video. I know you don't want to miss out. Alright, so I think this brings us to the end of this video. My name is Jen Francis. If this is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop awesome videos. Peace out.